The sacred city of Mecca in Saudi Arabia faced the impact of a formidable storm, resulting in torrential rain flooding the streets and powerful hurricane-like winds knocking down pilgrims near the Grand Mosque. Wind gusts reached speeds of approximately 80 kilometers per hour, according to a spokesperson from the Saudi National Meteorological Center. The storm's intensity tore apart tents and carts along its path, while trees and power lines proved unable to withstand the force of the wind.
شوف السيارة هذا كيف يتحرك. يا الله يا الله، الله يستر الله يستر الله يستر. الحين يجيبوا على هنا السيول. الله يستر. يا عيال احنا في العوالي نغرق. يا ولد انت وين رايح؟ يا ولد وين رايح؟ الله يصلحك يا عيال.
Videos captured the scene of pilgrims navigating around the revered Kaaba, with some individuals needing to maneuver around fallen barriers. Another clip showcased lightning striking the renowned Royal Tower, which overlooks the Kaaba. In response to the severe weather, authorities in Mecca took the decision to close schools for the day. The National Meteorological Center issued warnings about the likelihood of further thunderstorms, ranging from moderate to severe, which could bring heavy rainfall accompanied by hail and strong winds. Sandstorms are also anticipated in the region. In the comments section of the videos, some Muslims interpreted the extreme weather in Mecca as a negative omen, potentially signaling the beginning of unsettling times or even the end of the world.